This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Honda Accord 4-door sedan. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. This system is using the WingBar Evo in silver, 53 inches in length, the Evo Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number 5151. The crossbars are in a fixed position at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 88 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.